Should be good. Let's see if I can get this to work real quick here. So I need transform. Oh, I don't have a program.
Isn't that the problem from like yesterday?
Okay, so I can't do this. Sad face. Yeah, this is what we did yesterday. Everyone here, go ahead and clear the screen. In order for me to be able to put points in, I got to do it on that spreadsheet. And that spreadsheet can be found inside of Stat and pressing Edit. So Stat Edit should put you in the list that looks like this. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to make one list of X's, one list of Y's, right? Just like we used to do before. Let's see if I can do. Where's my hide that page? That's pretty trippy, huh? Let's put this one back up. Calculator halfway. Okay, cool. So there's my points. You guys see them okay?
Which one did you click?
Yeah.
Stat Edit. That puts me in the little screen right here. And I'm just going to make sure that all my lines are clear. So I'm going to do 0, -1, and 1. Right? Because those are the X values. And in L2, I want to put the Y values in there. So 0, -2, and 6.
How do you clear the line 1?
Go all the way to the very top, like this, and then push clear, enter. Okay? All right, I'll wait for everybody to make sure you guys all have your points in there real quick. Okay. The negative button is right down at the very bottom next to the period. Actually, the decimal point. I forget, this is not
So
English.
last one's 6.
Huh?
Last one's 6.
Mm-hmm. They're right there too,
Oh.
on the screen next to it. Here, I'll write them a little bit bigger for you guys. So there's my 2 points.
Does it matter if it says L2?
No, just remember where you put them, okay? Because you're gonna have to tell it where the X's are and where the Y's are. In my case, the X's are in L1, all the Y's are in L2. What's that? Then get another one.
Well, I mean, it's worded as
I got you, girl.
second trace
What do you mean, what's wrong with it?
of whatever put
This is the name. This is the name.
Go to window,
You wanna do the name?
second graph.
No, don't do graph, don't do that yet.
That.
You good? Alright, can I move on? Show me thumbs up that you got this data in. Thumbs up, you got the data in. Up, son. Thumb up, son. Wait for Justice real quick. I think she knows. They're right here.
Oh.
In big red numbers.
Big red.
Never mind.
0, you push that 0 button.
I know it didn't. Oh, never mind.
I can go.
This is the one I can do some tests. I was definitely doing
It's okay.
hard.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah, I tried that. Oh, okay.
Thank you, Justice.
No problem. No, why did it say here?
Oh my goodness. Alright, we're good now?
Yeah.
Okay, now just watch me and then I'll let you guys copy over, okay? I'm going to go ahead and quit this screen. Let me, where'd it go? So, what?
How do you do that on my car?
You don't. This is software, bro. Whatever. Oh, is this what I want? Oh, you know why isn't it all small? Because it's minimized. Dude, see that? So, check it out. I'm going to go to quit. And I'm going to make sure that I'm on that blank page thing. And here's what I'm going to do. Stat. Calculate. You guys see option number 5? Quadratic regression. Hey, where's my X's? They were in L1. my y's were in L2, weren't they? And then I'm going to go enter, 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 calculate, and blop, there it is.
Wait, hold on. Can you do this in a second?
Mine says
I didn't get the R2.
error.
Don't worry about it.
Mine says error.
Don't worry about R2.
Wait, calculate and then where?
R2D2.
Mine says error.
Oh, I got it, because it's the second quiz.
Second quiz stat. What is it? Quadratic number 5?
Yeah.
Enter all the way. Yeah, all I gotta do is tell where X's and Y's are.
I didn't get the R.
Don't worry about the R. I have extra stuff because I do statistics, so I have more information on my calculator. You don't need to worry about R squared. For those people that actually, anybody care enough to want to know right now about R squared? Okay, so R squared simply tells me what percentage of the data that I have can be represented by this model.
So just one?
So all it's saying is, in this case, all of my data fit this, and it should, because it's only 3 points. Okay? Beyond that, you don't need to worry
So
about
is
it.
that for like the lines of best fit?
No, this is not a line of best fit, this is a quadratic line, a quadratic curve of best fit. Lines are straight. This is a curve. So this is the curve of best fit.
I know, but like let's say if R2 wasn't 1.
Oh, yeah. So the lower that number, the weaker this model is. Yeah, the worse it'll fit.
That's what I meant.
Absolutely.
That's what I meant.
Absolutely. Intelliburro.
Intelliburo.
Okay. So, everybody get these 3 numbers, get spat out?
Look at
You get moved.
Wait.
So, yeah, the second fit. Second fit. If you push it by itself, it's moved. Okay, go stat.
He clicked on it.
Calculate.
Mine.
Push number 5.
Oh, yeah.
You can just push 5. Your X is in L1, your Y is in L2. Where's your X? L2? Where's your Y? Oh, yeah.
I saw a little
That's why I didn't get
That's resistance. When that happens, that means you swap the cards.
like it was a deal.
That's why I said this. I had 3 X's, but no Y's. So that means there wasn't a match.
I've seen some like
Thank you. Thank you. So, let me write this formula. Here is whoa. This is the skeleton for you guys. All you have to do is replace A, B, and C with those numbers. So in this case, I've got y equals 2x squared plus 4x. Do I need to write the 0? No, but there it is. There's my formula. Okay? And of course, you could factor that and create it into the vertex form if you wanted to. Do you really have to? Not really. Where's my axis of symmetry, peeps?
-2.
Negative what?
2, 4. 2, -4, 2.
Wait, what'd you say? I'm sorry.
Oh, you're trying to do it from memory, huh? Where's the axis of symmetry at? Here's my formula. What's my axis of symmetry?
-2 over 2A. Is that what it
It's opposite B divided by 2A. So it's 4, 2. So I have it at -1. Okay? Where's my vertex at? How do I find my vertex from this? This becomes my X. And then I just plug it in to get my Y, right? So this will become a positive one because I square it. So I've got 2 minus 4. So it's going to be at -2. Okay? But that's the hard part. This stuff right here was extra. Any questions on how to do that regression? Okay, some of the common errors. Dimension mismatch. Anybody get a dimension mismatch? Let me show you what that would look like. Let me go over to stat, stat edit, Let me clear this. Okay, so I got 0, -1, 0, -2, and 6. When I go to quit, I'm going to go stat, calculate 5, which is my quadratic regression. This might be one of the errors that you see, or you don't see it. Okay. Wow, I guess my software's smarter. Oh, it did it for me. See how I didn't push enter, and there was no number there, but it was here. So my software knew to put 6 there, but I think some of the calculators don't know that. If you don't push enter, it won't put the number in there, and then that means that you would have a mismatch dimension. Delete. That means that you would have 3 numbers for 2, and this one doesn't have a pair. That means it's a mismatch dimension error, okay? Because you have 3 with a 2, and I can't pair them up, okay? So just go back, make sure that all no numbers are there. So in this case, if I try to write it, check it out. Stat, calculate, 5, It's going to say dimension mismatch. You see it?
How do you enter that dimension?
Huh?
How do you enter that dimension?
So if you do have that, you're going to push go to. Yeah, I know. So I'm going to go back into that, back into there. Oh, look, I'm missing this number. Just push down. In this case, it was a 6. Now push enter. Now they're matched up, 3 for 3. Once I do that, I should get a regression on that quadratic. Okay? Questions? Can you go do that through yourself, by yourself? Anybody try it by themselves?
Yeah.
Here's a basketball player.
You might want it.
Find me the equation to this bad boy. The route of his b-ball, of his basketball. What?
Or is he playing on grass?
Does it matter the order?
No. That's a good question. Does the order in which I put the points in matter? No. But what does matter is that they're matched correctly. I can't put this 2 with that 12. That makes sense?
So what do you want us to find? The vertex?
The equation for now. I just want the equation.
So y equals...
Mr. Munoz, did you get my email?
I don't know. I'll check in here. Once we get done here.
You did.
It's not, that's what's like a
Good job.
Mucho bueno.
The car is so free.
Ahí está. That's it. You guys want to do it again? Do it again. Right here.
I don't want to do it.
But let's see this one.
This has a lot more numbers.
Why are you crying?
Okay, mine worked.
If it was one more taco, you would eat it?
Hey, yeah.
That's different.
That's somewhere else every now and then. It hit different. Colton, where were you yesterday?
Did you say coach?
Colton. I said, where were you yesterday, Colton?
Got stuck in auto. We were like taking a gate, one of the teachers called back to the
Oh.
and security never opened